So another dilution question here. An experiment required 2 liters of 0.2 molar hydrochloric acid solution. What volume of concentrated hydrochloric acid shipped at 11.9 molar is needed? Not quite so clear from this question what is the beginning and what is the final conditions, but again, just read through it. Use some common sense. If you have to read through it a couple of times, do that. But a key word we can look at is concentrated. If we see that word concentrated, we know that that would be the initial conditions. So our initial molarity, initial concentration is 11.9. So that's M1. What volume of that, meaning V1, is what we don't know. And so the other concentration and volume will be the 2's. And if we also use some common sense, we could have figured those out first and said that knowing that the experiment requires this, we would know that that's what we would have to end our dilution with in order to do the experiment. If that helps, great. Otherwise, we can think about it the first way as well. V2, 2 liters. M2, 0.200 molar. The equation M1V1 equal M2V2 subbing in what we know, M1 11.9, V1 we don't know, M2 0.200, V2 2.00. Do the calculation on the right, so we have 11.9 V1 equals 0.4. Divide by 11.9 to solve for V1. We'll have 3 sig figs on V1, which will give us 0.336, volume being measured in liters. Sorry, I missed a 0 in that. That would be volume of 0.0336 liters. And again, if we want to talk about this in terms of milliliters, we'd multiply that by 1,000. That could be 33.6 milliliters as well. The milliliters calculation is again not necessary, but depending on the circumstances could be useful.